Hello, PointWise users, and welcome to another Tutorial Tuesday video where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, we are going to look at two new abilities available through the right mouse button menu in Examine, creating cell and vertex filters. Here we have open the final file from the Wing Pylon with Store T-Rex tutorial. So let's select the block and go to Examine Maximum Included Angle. Let's enable an X cut across the wing. So if we were to just select a cell and disable the cut, we can still see the cell, but if we switch the function, it disappears. So what we can do instead is right-click on the cell, and we have this option called Create Cell Filter. Now if we disable the cut, we can still see the cell. It's actually still colored by the metric, and if we go back to max included angle, we can actually see what this particular cell's max included angle is, which is 91.04. So this is a very useful tool if we want to know what the value of a particular cell is across multiple functions. So let's go to the Filters tab and see how it works. We have a single filter named Probe Filter, and it is defined using the cells index here, which is 1720014. It's important to note that if we were to create another filter using the right mouse button as we did, it would just override this filter. So if we were to select another one and disable the cut, it has just overridden the filter we had. So what we can do instead is just change the name of our filter. And now if we enable the cut and choose another filter, we can keep both around and look at them through different metrics. So this is how you can create a cell filter using the right mouse button in Examine, but there's a similar new feature for the three vertex centered metrics. So let's go to vertex centered orthogonality, and our filters are still visible. They've just changed rendering because we are now looking at vertex centered metrics, and we can choose a vertex. And we have this Create Vertex Filter option. So if we go to the Filters tab, again, our probe filter was just overridden with our new request for a vertex filter. And we can see that instead of the cell index, it's now using the point index. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, drop us a line below or connect with us via LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.